that the members of the 12th Parliament of the NRM who wish to contest for position of Speaker and Deputy Speaker of the 12th Parliament must abide and follow this roadmap. 1. All eligible members are invited to express their interest to contest for the position of Speaker and Deputy Speaker of Parliament beginning today, and this expression of interest will continue up to 23rd May, that's tomorrow Saturday at 3 p.m. The Central Executive Committee shall discuss the names that the Electoral Commission will forward to them on Sunday, the 24th, because elections for Speaker will take place on Monday, the 25th. So all eligible members of NRM who wish to express interest for position of Speaker and Deputy Speaker are hereby informed that they should express interest to the Chairman NRM Electoral Commission, handwritten letter or typed with a CV. All NRM members, there are 372 NRM members, all of them qualify to be voters. The meaning independents are not voters. CEC has with immediate effect stopped any person who wants to be a speaker or deputy speaker from campaigning. Whatever kind of campaign, if you are good campaigning and there's the videos or recordings to your campaign, you will be disqualified to be a speaker. Number 2, bribery is forbidden. Even here, expression of interest, we have no money to pay. They are not going to pay money to express interest. It has been removed.